Hey folks, thanks for joining. In this video, I'll be providing you with a detailed walkthrough of the new Commerce UI available in Unbound 7. With this latest release, we've made some significant improvements to the Commerce interfaces, where we incorporate Angular technology, which is a high-performance interface framework for much speedier and intuitive experiences throughout. We've redesigned the administrative console, starting from the dashboard, where we aggregate the assets and performance of your Commerce implementation and make it much more consistent with the other dashboards in the platform. We've also overhauled the product catalog management, streamlined customer service interfaces, redesigned the inbound order fulfillment and reverse logistics, as well as the coupons and promotions engine. So let's jump in and take a deeper look. In Unbound 7, the first thing you'll notice in the Commerce module is the new UI and dashboard. Very consistent to all the other dashboards in the platform now, we have an aggregate of all the Commerce activity that's going on here. So we have our total products, orders, returns, customers, and coupons across the top here. I can quickly jump in and manage those from here. I can also see a time period setting where I can go in and define a specific time period where I can take a look at performance data. Typically you want this set to current day or current week so you can keep a close eye on the activity. This is a demo environment, so I have it set for a custom date range where I know there's activity during this time period. Right, so you can apply that and it basically refreshes all the data here. So for the time period that you have set, you'll see the total sales for that time period, total transactions, average order size, abandoned carts for the time period. Also, I can compare total transactions versus total sales with this nice interactive graph. And then also take a look at new versus returning customers during that specific time period. I can also take a look at top purchase products, so keep a close eye on the products that are trending on my site, and also any products that are approaching low inventory that I'll need to replenish. You'll be alerted of that right on the dashboard here. And below the fold, you can see that we've made the dashboard very action-oriented, where we're able to manage all of these assets, the orders, returns, products, and customers directly from the dashboard. So a CSR can basically have the dashboard open throughout the day, keep a close eye on any orders that are flowing into it, go right into that order, edit the order from here, view the customer. If a customer calls, they can do a quick search for that customer right from here, drill into the customer details, start editing that order, view the customer, the order history, etc., all directly from the dashboard. Taking a look at the returns interface, again, the same thing there. We can manage returns very efficiently, manage products very efficiently, jump into a product from here, edit the product details. And then looking at customers, we've overhauled the customer listing interface not only here, but under manage customers as well. You can see for customers their last purchase, you can filter and see their total spend. So if I want to filter this and take a look at those that have spent the most with us, our customers here in the total orders, you can filter and sort by all of that from here. I'm just going to take a quick look at one of these orders. I'll just go in here and edit an order to show you the order details interface now. Again, this has been completely overhauled, a lot cleaner, much more modern UI technology that's being used here. So for the order, I can see the order details, the payment summary, my shipping information, payment information, coupons. Again, from a CSR standpoint, if someone calls and wants to add a coupon, they forgot to add a coupon, they can go ahead and add a coupon to the order directly from here, right? So very streamlined interface. I could see any returns or refunds that are specific to an order, any attributes like a purchase order number or something that you want to apply to orders. We can handle that using attributes. And then also we have an area for notes, and notes get generated automatically based on different status updates of the order or any action that's made on an order. A note is automatically created. But a CSR can go ahead and add a manual note here if, if a customer calls, if they forgot to add a coupon code or what have you, they can add a note around that conversation. All right, so that's the order management. Again, we have the ability to manage orders from here as well under Store Manager Orders, a new interface for listing that, and again, filtering down based on order status, based on order date, or really drilling into a specific customer and view the orders that are relevant to that customer. You can see that we're also doing a lot of cross-referencing now across the entire experience, right? So in the case of looking at this order, if I want to take a look at Charles and see the other orders that he's placed over time, I can quickly click on this jumper icon. It'll open a new tab and display the customer profile, where I can see all the information about that particular customer, their shipping information, their payment options, the whole order history, any additional logins. That's more relevant for a B2B situation if you have multiple logins in your account. Again, any notes that are specific to that customer, any emails that they've received, recent activity on the site, all of that's available now at the contact level. It's also available to our marketing platform. We can also set up campaigns that can be triggered based on different things, purchase activity, or if they've abandoned cart, we can tap into that profile data and send out campaigns based on it. All right, so big overhaul to our commerce UI here. Another area to take a look at is the product catalog management. So we basically have multiple ways to manage our product catalog now. Again, you can do it directly from the dashboard. You can manage your products from product types, and if you navigate into product catalog, we've combined product types with the product catalog. So you can see here as I navigate into my different product types, I'm being presented with my different products on the right hand side here. I go into a particular product, edit the product from here, a lot cleaner interface, much higher performance. As I navigate through, manage all my SKUs from here, I can edit the SKU details. There's a separate interface for all the SKU level information for any variations on a product. Any images that correspond to a product, so you can manage multiple images from here, upload multiple images. Any navigation categories that this product belongs to. We set up our series of business rules under navigation categories, and then these get applied dynamically. If you wanted to exclude a product from these dynamic navigation categories, you can go ahead into here and just click on the exclude from navigation category. Finally, we have the cross-sell, upsell interface here. This has been overhauled as well. So a much more efficient interface to find the appropriate product, look at it by product type. You have, of course, a keyword filter here. You can just go ahead and start selecting the different products that you want to cross-sell or upsell. Select that, they appear in a list, save it, and you're done. All right, so when the user's looking at this product on a product detail page, they're seeing all the related products you want to present in that experience. So again, very efficient management now from a product management standpoint. Another way to manage products is under navigation categories here. So we can take a look at basically our hierarchy of the website. We have an area called products, and there's a bestsellers menu item, on sale, accessories. So those are the menu items within your navigation. And you're setting up your business rules. That's all defined under manage here. I can manage my filters that are relevant to that navigation item. So I can define all the filters. Again, new UI for all of this, but same concepts of applying business rules and filters to navigation categories. And then these products automatically appear here. So I can see that underneath that navigation category, all the products that are relevant. If I want to preview what that product looks like, I could click on this little jumper icon. It opens that product in a separate tab, the front end view of it. And then I can decide, all right, I want to edit that from here. I click on the edit and go into the product details again, where I'm managing all the aspects of the product, all the underlying SKUs, all the attributes, any images, all of that. All right, so again, multiple ways to manage your product data. You'll also notice for bestsellers, if I wanted to see what template and display applies to the bestseller listing page, we have this little toggle at the top here now. So right now we're viewing by product, so it's listing all the products that appear underneath there based on the business rules that have been applied. But if I click on that, I can also see, all right, the template now that is applied to bestsellers, right? So these are the product listing templates that appear, and those can vary depending on product type. You can have different type of listing pages based on your different types of products, depending on what the needs are there. And then you can use this handy little toggle here to view the underlying page template versus the specific products that correlate to that navigation category. And finally, just to touch on coupons and promotions, this has been overhauled as well. Again, nice clean UI. I can go in here and edit an existing coupon, view the coupon details, all the information about the coupon, manage my coupon rules. I can also manage the coupon codes from here. I can add a single code, upload a whole batch of codes from a CSV file, or have the system dynamically generate a series of codes that are relevant to this promotion, right, based on the different parameters that I define. To quickly recap some of the benefits of the new Commerce UI, it provides for a higher performing experience, allows you to manage products with ease, handle fulfillment and logistics more efficiently, monitor KPIs of commerce operations, and provides for increased adoption and satisfaction. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to us at product@bridgeline.com or through your account manager. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos on the Bridgeline Unbound platform.